This Organized in 60 Seconds is brought to you by DC Efficiency Consulting. Reinvent the way you work.
Hi, I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, with your Organized in 60 Seconds tip of the day. One of the easiest and most inexpensive ways to organize a variety of items are with pouches, because they come in all different shapes and sizes. Let's take a peek. Pouches can be used to organize a plethora of items such as makeup, first aid supplies, travel documents, jewelry, coupons, small electronics, and even dental supplies, to name a few. For kids, create a car kit to keep them busy on long trips, or one to hold school supplies. The sky's the limit when it comes to organizing with pouches. Well, that's my tip for today. For more tips and information about the products we feature, please visit our YouTube channel. I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, making your life easier, 60 seconds at a time.